Getting to work with my hands is something that's nice. It's a lot better than just sitting in a chair.
I love it. I love coming to school now, and I actually want to be here. It's my senior year, and I'm here all the time, and I love it.
This is what I realized I wanted to do for the rest of my life.
State-of-the-art learning, real-world job experience. Students set their own course and make it happen through OCM BOCES Career and Technical Education and New Vision programs offered in Onondaga County. Students on a college path or driven to enter the workforce find their place with professionals and certified teachers. They spend half a day in their OCM program. It frees them to take part in any of their home school activities.
You learn a really great career. Welders are in need, and so you're more than likely guaranteed a job after high school.
Gives us like an idea of what the kids could be like or what we will be doing in the future rather than just jumping right into it after college and not knowing anything. We have more experience.
Students meet personal and career goals when they take on the challenge of OCM BOCES 2-year technology programs in computers, auto maintenance, and construction.
Every day we finish a project and we start something new. If I could learn everything in one day, I would. I look forward to learning the most.
Students can choose auto collision, cosmetology, culinary and pastry arts, early childhood education, as well as welding technology programs offered in Onondaga County. By learning job-specific skills, students prepare for the workforce and post-secondary study. They earn high school core academic and college-level credit. OCM BOCES graduates who pass their program's industry standard assessment earn the New York State Career and Technical Education endorsement on their high school diploma. Eligible high school seniors can also choose to embed themselves in real working businesses when they choose OCM BOCES New Vision programs. Students go to school in offices and centers. They learn alongside working professionals, the way they do in the Media Marketing Communications course at WCNY.
The tipping point for me was when I heard that it was an embedded program. So when I discovered that it was going to be at WCNY in real studios with real equipment, that just seemed really incredible to me.
As a father, I really had hoped that the program would pull her out of her shell, essentially that she would find direction, passion for something that she wanted to pursue in the future. The program has done all of that and more. It really has brought her to a new level of confidence. It has taught her to take initiative, to do things that I never imagined she would do.
Students explore the meaning of law and order at the New Vision Criminal Justice Program at the Onondaga County Sheriff's Office.
We go to the jail or we go to the heliport and see the SWAT team, so get a lot of hands-on experience.
Students are introduced to medical professions through hands-on experience at Upstate Medical University in Syracuse.
Clinical's amazing. At the VA, we get into the operating room, respiratory therapy, physical therapy, occupational therapy. Basically anywhere you could think of in a hospital, we've been there.
Automotive technology at Drivers Village and the CTE Physical Therapy Professions program lead students to daily out-of-classroom experience. CTE integrates English and social studies into a meaningful curriculum.
I'm kind of a more hands-on learner than classroom learner, so it makes it a lot easier for me to comprehend and kind of apply the things to the field.
Going to school by going to work at OCM BOCES CTE and New Vision programs turns students into professionals in the making. It puts them ahead of their class in preparation for their career journey.